Hey guys, it's Russell back, and on today's video I'm going to be reviewing Chemical Guy's Smart Car Wash. I don't know anything about this car wash. This was actually a idea that one of the viewers had written in on the last video I believe that I did. So I'm going to be reviewing that the same way we've done all the other car washes. We're going to be using the MTM Submachine gun style foamer. And we're going to be doing a bucket wash to look at the foamage and see how well it cleans the car. Alright, so I've got 10 ounces of warm water in my MTM foam cannon. I've got 1 ounce of the Chemical Guy Smart Car Wash in here, and I've mixed it up. There's very little scent to this. If anything, it may have just a very slight lemon scent. But anyway, that doesn't matter. Let's see how this foams up. I've already got the car wet, so I'm going to go ahead and foam. Okay, so I don't know what to think about this foam. It's got good foam structure, and it feels quite slick. That may be why it's not sticking to the vertical surfaces as good as some of the others. Well, I don't know. We'll check back in about 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 6 minutes, and, well, the soap is disappearing. It's only about 50 degrees out here, and, yeah, this soap is supposed to be pH neutral, so it's not going to hurt the car if it dries. but we're going to rinse it off now. Okay, rinse the whole car off, and as we would have expected, the protection was not stripped off. The water's still beating up very nicely, even though the car is still dirty. It removed the non-bonded contaminants. As you can see where I did my finger on the wheel earlier, that was not removed, and you would expect that it wouldn't be removed from a pH balanced soap. It rinses nice and clean, doesn't leave any film behind. Just what I would expect. So far, this soap is... I wouldn't use this soap in a foam cannon, to be honest. It's okay at best. It's better than Wonder Wash in a foam cannon, but it's just okay at best. So we're going to get the bucket set up and see how it does on a hand wash. Alright, so we're going to do our traditional bucket wash here with a twist. The directions on the back of this say to use 1 ounce per bucket of water. Almost all Chemical Guys dilution ratios are 1 ounce per 5 gallons. I don't know if that's a misprint or I don't know what. So we're going to take our 1 ounce and put it in our bucket. I'm doing something a little different today. I get asked all the time by people why I no longer use a 2-bucket wash method, and I'm getting ready to show you why. I use multiple, it can either be multiple lambskin or multiple microfibers, so I don't have to dip any dirty cloth back into the bucket. Now you think doing a 2-bucket method is going to leave this water clean, but I'm going to show you it's not. I've got a rinse bucket right here. I'm going to rinse it. I've got a grit guard in the bottom of each one of these. And when we're done, there's going to be dirt in this wash water. But that's not good because you don't want dirt in your wash water. So let's get the pressure washer and see how it foams. Okay, the water has a pretty good amount of slickness in it. Not as much as the Wonder Wash, but it is good. It's got pretty large, a large foam structure. I don't know what that means, but it is larger than it normally is for a lot of soaps. But anyway, so I've got my rinse bucket here, got my grit guard. I'm going to go get my lamb's wool wash mitt, and I'm going to wash this car. Alright, so the car has been washed and dried. I'm going to call this Smart Wash a middle of the road wash. I don't think that it would be one that I would actually buy. It doesn't do anything great. You know, it's not bad, but quite frankly, I think if I was going to buy a wash, I would have bought Meguiar's Gold Class before I would have bought this. It doesn't do particularly well in the foam can, and it's okay. It's better than the Wonder Wash for sure. It was all right in the bucket wash, but once again, I just think it's not impressive. Not bad, but it's not impressive. So I'm going to say that the Chemical Guys Smart Wash is a middle of the pack at best car wash. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you have any other suggestions of car soaps you would like for me to try out, then just leave a description or a comment in the description below. I've got a few more that we haven't done. I believe it's 3 more, and then we'll start doing some other manufacturers. But this is Russell, and I will see you on the next video.